Want to have a drinking contest with me, kid?
Gragas is a character from the game League of Legends, and he attacks by rolling a barrel. Today, we will make a remotely controlled Gragas barrel.
My name is Gragas. During exam periods, I always drink like this. Actually, I drink even when it's not exam time. Exams are just a temporary interruption in my drinking life.
What? Have you already finished it?
Yo, it's all gone.
How did you finish it while I was in the bathroom? There is no place to buy more alcohol around here, right?
Out the hymn. I must help. Alcohol is thicker than water. Want to have a drinking contest with me, kid? Shall I roll my barrel?
Why is he just standing there now?